This is another case. These are two images of T1 post contrast sagittal images, and here you can appreciate that pituitary fossa is completely filled by CSF. Actually, this patient presented with headache and papal edema on fundoscopy. So there was suspicion of space occupying lesion in the brain. That's why MRI was to be advised, and found that pituitary fossa is completely filled by CSF. This is a normal image for comparison between normal and abnormal, and here in this case, in this you can see that pituitary gland is well defined, rounded and normally enhancing and located in the pituitary fossa. So here you can see, for comparison purpose, you can see that both images. Actually, this is a condition which is called pseudotumor cerebri, and it's also called idiopathic intracranial hypertension. It's mostly seen in obese middle to old age female patient which presented with papal edema and headache, and CSF opening pressure by lumbar puncture is to be measured of these patient, which is to be increased, and diuretics and Lasix are to be given in this patient for treatment purpose. So this is a case of pseudotumor cerebri, a disease of unknown etiology in which intracranial pressure of the brain is increased. Thank you very much.